right. We're in MNQ. Okay, it's making a move down. MNQ's up 0.8% for the day. Pretty close to all-time highs. Japan releasing some information. Finance Minister in Japan didn't discuss monetary policy with U.S. Treasury Secretary Bessent. All right, Nvidia rejected off 200. We're at 198.60 right now. Tesla's up 7.4%. That's huge. Long term's looking pretty good right now. Up about 132 bucks on 1XFA. We're getting a little bit of a sell-off here, down 60 points. Let's get onto a practice, put in a short, see how that looks. We got some support right here. Let's see if it takes all these guys out. Go down to 26,138 or something. Got a couple of headlines. ECB policymakers wary of an April rate hike as there is no evidence yet of second round inflation. Nothing new from Trump except like 2 hours ago. I think he tweeted, "I'm working very hard with our great speaker, Mike Johnson, along with Chairman Jim Jordan and Chairman Rock Crawford to get a clean extension of the FISA 702 to the House of Representatives this week." Okay. Well, we held support right here. Let's get rid of that short. Russia LNG under U.S. sanctions heads for the first time to India. Diego in the house. Good morning, my brother. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate that. Making any money today? The book's kind of thinned out. All the big orders up by like 26,000, 65 are gone. I mean, there's 50 contracts up there now. There was like 200. Look at that move. That's a move. 250 points. Massive. Let's see if people get FOMO and start buying in and they dump the market. No, bro, today I have what I made yesterday. I will continue on the Asia session. Oh, all right. Let's see if we get any resistance around this area. Just waiting for an email from my financial advisor to set up my self-directed account with them. Well, let's see if there's what the rate hike probability right now is just 0.5%. It's 99.5% chance they're just gonna keep it where it is. Let's see if that changes anytime soon. All right, we got rejected here. Let's see if we continue down. We had a nice rally up the last few days, that's for sure. I sold some AMD and Nvidia and QQQ today. Not much, just a couple shares. I'm up pretty huge on that. Yesterday I sold some SanDisk. Here we go, we got some selling. Let's see how a short works out here. Stop up here, risking 36 bucks for a pullback. See if this works out. We got some liquidity down to 170. Strait of Hormuz looks empty. All right, we passed that support. Let's see if it hits this. I mean, we could go lower. We got a lot of space down there. If this was a live account, I'd probably move my stop to break even. Probably take away the take profit. Try to let it run. Micros can make money too, right? It's a 2-minute trade. Like, you can make 50 bucks. Do that a couple times in the day and it's a decent wage. But Diego, appreciate you stopping by, man. That's awesome. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can break this support. Potentially some news might come out. We got the financial juice here on the left. Keep an eye on that. There you go. There you go. Now to trail the stop. One micro, almost $100. It's a decent trade. Diego, if you're trading, hopefully you caught that. That'd be sweet. And we're still going. At this point, I'd probably take profit if I was on my live account. So let's do that. All right, that was an easy trade. Now we had a pretty big rally up. It would just make sense for it to retrace, at least a 50% retrace. Let's pull a fib right here. Oops, that's not even a fib. So we got to bounce right off the golden pocket. If we can't hold that, then we could see a couple of, we could see a breakdown to the next fib level at 26,117. Well, there's still more room to the downside. A short still is in play. Let's see how the golden pocket reacts. A short down to 116, you know, like 30 points. That'd be a decent trade. All right, if we break down here, might be a decent short. Let's just wait. I'm not going to put any orders in right now. Washington rejected our initiative to transfer Iranian enriched uranium to Russia. All right. The Kremlin. Russia's releasing stuff out. Oh, we got a new Truth Social from Mr. Donald J. Trump over here. Why is Fox News showing sleazebag Tom Steyer doing a big piece on him right now? They're probably putting him into play instead of talking about Republican candidates and really good ones like Steve Hilton and Republicans. How can a Republican expect to win the state with their mail-in voting and rigged elections? When you have Fox News promoting the Democrats, nobody cares about Tom Steyer. He is a loser. But Fox is making it possible for a guy like this to win. Vote for Steve Hilton and turn California around. President Donald J. Trump. And we're still dumping down. All right, let's see. So if you get a push down, at least to around here. If not, break that down, and we can go. We could dump here with some decent volume. Diego, how's my day going? Oh, not bad. Long terms are up. I'm up like $100 on my XFA. It's not a bad day. It's not a great day. Just a meh day, you know? Just meh. Ah. Ugly. So now if you ask how your day's going, well, my last trade's negative $30. I'm going to put one more short in. And I'm out. That was a bad trade. $50 loss right there in 2 minutes. So we took out this area of support. We went into here. We didn't take out 26,100. Let's see if we get a bounce here. Let's see if we can break over these wicks, take those guys out. They're pulling orders. The book's kind of thin right now. We can get a nice push up here. Let's add a couple more. Let's see if we can at least recover. I mean, we should be able to at least get close to this area. Let's see a quick push up here. Come on. Come on, push up. Might see a rejection right here. It's weak though. Got 2 wicks. Should at least see up to this area. Ah, there you go. Rejected. Gonna add 2 more. Might have to get out of this. Not looking good. Getting a bearish engulfing. Oh, yeah, that's horrible. So I'm down for the day on the XFA. That's out. That's an ouch. Bad trade. On XFA as well. We got Caroline Levitt speaking soon. What a horrible trade. Ouch. All right. That was a bad technical move. Should have saw the resistance here. All right. I'm going to get out of this. That's going to go take these guys out. Ouch. Bad trade. I'm going to try to add here. Looking for a bounce off some support here. It's not looking good though. I'm just going to manually stop out. See what the next candle prints. 65,050. I just want to get out of this trade now. Bad trade. I like this wick down here. All right. I'm going to manually stop out. See if I get a chance to let the next candle print. Doesn't look like it. They're building up a couple positions at 26,100. If this candle doesn't turn green, all right, I'm out. Down 250 bucks for the day. Ouch. Bad trade. All right, time to touch some grass, I think. Well, we'll see what Caroline Levitt has to say. She's going to be coming in a bit.
Order filled.
We're going to push down here. Let's see if we can get into this one. Make a little bit of money back.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
So we gotta push down. Oh man, hate when that happens. Oh, I'm at 18. Oh god.
Nothing there. It should be up there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Gonna try
Order
to get
filled.
a quick
Order filled.
wick down here. We already got that wick, missed it. That's not good. Projected there. Took out these guys. Man, we might see a reversal right now. And I'm down 1,500 bucks. Oh god. Horrible trade. FOMO right there. Momentum's down. Let's go. Come on. Rip it down. Oh, that's the. Oh, I'm at 43 contracts. What am I doing?
And we'll see what you look like when you put it. All right. Good. Here's a copy of that in a wide shot.
Wow.
I'm going to be zooming. If I zoom in, it'll look
Wow.
like a metal water bottle.
I should have got
Order
my foot
filled.
touch grass. Oh, there you go. I'm out. Blew that count. Ah. Got tilted. Oh, man. Yeah, I chased. Horrible trading right there. Oh, God. I did the opposite of what I should have done. There was support there, it touched it, and then it went back up. Well, don't trade like that, that's for sure. Definitely don't trade like that. Alright, I'm gonna have to step away for a bit. Yeah, Diego, don't trade like that, bro. That was just horrible trading. Never trade like that. Dang. I was gonna go touch grass. I didn't listen to my. Hey, dang. I went in too strong. I was gonna get a quick move down. That was horrible. That was a real account. That was not practice. Oh. All right. I'm going to go touch grass now. Horrible.
talks about a potential second round of talks stands at this moment, especially after we heard what the president said in an interview here this morning that he believes this war is close to being over and that it will end immediately as soon as it will come to an agreement, as he suggested this morning that there could be talks in the additional days. He had said that previously, but it has not materialized yet, and that is still a big question. It's not a question about what they've agreed to sit down once again after doing so 21 hours of meeting not having an agreement. During those talks that were led by the Vice President, J.D. Vance, and also joined by Steve Witkoff, the President's son-in-law, and Jared Kushner. So the question is exactly what happens to the second round of talks, where they can take place. One significant development is that the military chief is in Iran right now, because of course he's been a key intermediary here. We've gotten high praise from President Trump and Vice President J.D. Vance for the role that they have played in these talks, suggesting where that second round of talks could potentially happen. And so still a lot of questions, though, about what's going to happen to the enriched uranium that is in Iran. The president has made clear he wants to get out of there before this war is over. Iran's desire to develop a nuclear weapon, where that stands in terms of this agreement. And also, of course, what's going to happen, who's going to take the strategy proposed by the Indians, which has been Iran's so far in these talks. So all that remains to be seen. As of course, as you know, Boris has a ceasefire that the president announced to set to expire just next week.
Is that in your link? One word and then a blank. Like ready or
John, and as so many people watching are so focused on gas prices that are still high, even though we've been told that they might be coming down by now, or at least by the beginning of the summer. And now we know that that might not be the case, according to the Energy Secretary. They're going to send out the Treasury Secretary and the Small Business Administrator to let everybody know that it is the Trump administration's support of the One Big Beautiful Bill that has these no tax on tips, no tax on overtime provisions that have put more money into people's pockets. That's the reason that a lot of tax returns that will be coming in the next 2 weeks for people that waited until the last minute to file their taxes will be getting. Something else here at the White House, Matt Fitz mentioned this. There is some talk, there's some reporting from Bloomberg about the possibility of a 2-week extension of the ceasefire. We have been told by White House officials saying that they have not officially agreed to that, but if they were going to announce it, a White House briefing would be a great time to do that. So lots of news. Also, they're going to try to take this before the First Lady pops up on Capitol Hill for a rare visit over there. So a lot going on. I forgot.
taking photos. Yeah, that's it. No editorial. No photos and still. I'll be all right.
Brett, so I can.
Yeah. Those of you that are 6 3 are less.
So that's Brett. Thank you.
Margo, I don't know what's happening here. He's changed.
I'm here for the tea. Let's hear it.
It's all happening.
Whoa. I'm not anti-capitalist. I didn't say I hated it. I just don't want to get one
It's a road like the Cappy Bear. You drive around, you pick a truck at night, it's like a spotter and shoot the same.
Are those the ones that people use, like in the swamp? Like people are.
No, I guess people eat it.
Well, no, I saw a video about people who hunt them.
Yeah, I mean, they. What's it called? Nutria. It's a big ass door on the track. Nutria. We call it Nutria.
Is that what our match is?
Never heard of a Nutria?
Wait, it does look like
I just be careful when it says nutritious on the menu.
my tattoo that I have,
Nutritious meal.
which I've been thinking about for years, but I haven't done because my mom hates tattoos and I'm scared of them, even though I'm about to be 27. But I want to get a tattoo for my sister. So I'm telling myself, if I tattoo something for my sister,
Tattoo with her sister.
what were your thoughts?
I'm just trying to understand.
Of a capybara.
And the Nutria. I like it.
In honor of America.
shirt.
Still.
Give somebody else a business. Loads of questions in our lives. I wonder if that's deliberate to give somebody else a job. Yeah. I know, but it's for the city to appreciate.
Well, lost a funded. Went on tilt. Support was there. I shorted. 100% my fault. Well, that just happened. Disappointing to say the least, that's for sure. That's for sure. Now I gotta look for my credit card to get back to funded. That's horrible.
business asked to pay $1 more in taxes, yet every single congressional Democrat voted to raise taxes, not just on small businesses, on our workers, on our seniors, on hardworking families.
Well, blowing up that account wasn't fun.
United behind common sense policy of letting Americans, not Washington bureaucrats or fraudsters, keep more of what they earn.
Yeah, Diego.
So far, as we just
Happens
heard,
all the time.
small businesses have an average tax saving of $7,000. The 20% small business pass-through deduction is now permanent, offering them certainty to plan for the future and the rocket fuel to create 1 million new jobs. Eric Williams at Prince Manufacturing in rural Georgia, he specializes in fabrication and machining. This year, he's reinvesting his tax savings to hire 500 new employees. The provisions for 100% expensing of equipment, expansion, and R&D are also growing production to help us reclaim industrial dominance. At Blue Patriot Fab, which I visited this week in Omaha, the owners highlighted one of their newest buildings, and they call it the Big Beautiful Building because the tax cuts helped them build it. Made in America is back, and that's why the America worker is winning too. No tax on tips and overtime means that millions of employees are now rewarded, not punished, for working more. And it's already benefited, as you just heard, 31 million taxpayers. In Baltimore, John and Tony Minidakis are proud second-generation owners of Jimmy's Seafood. Now, with no tax on tips and overtime, their 200 employees know that coming into work means going home with more pay. And Wade, a CNC machinist that I met at Lehigh Valley Plastics in
I'm going to take a
Pennsylvania,
payout from my other XFA before I blow that.
now the tax cuts reward his extra effort. And the benefits aren't just for tax season. As you've heard, the Trump accounts are connecting young people from birth to the power of our free enterprise system. With 529 savings accounts and Workforce Pell for trade schools, we're now training the next generation of skilled workers to fill millions of open jobs at small businesses. So in closing, America is open for business again. Yet every Democrat voted no on the very tax relief that is restoring Main Street, that is putting more money back into the pockets of hardworking families. Small businesses are rebounding from years of Biden inflation, decades of unfair trade, and massive regulatory overreach. But thanks to President Trump's tax cuts, they now talk about expansion, hiring plans, and generational opportunity. This is America First in action. Lower taxes, rising wages, and a thriving Main Street. Now millions of Americans are getting their largest tax refund ever, and Main Street is getting historic tax relief to keep the American dream alive. Thank you.
Good. And before we take questions, I want to provide some numbers for you all. So tax day statistics as of April 12th, over 53 million filers, nearly 45% claimed one of President Trump's signature tax cuts. The average tax cut for filers benefiting from one of President's new tax cuts is over $800. Over 6 million filers have claimed no tax on tips with an average deduction of $7,100. Over 25 million filers have claimed no tax on overtime with an average deduction of $3,100. Over 30 million seniors have claimed the enhanced deduction for seniors with an average deduction of $7,500. And over 1 million filers have claimed no tax on car loan interest on American cars for an average deduction of over $1,800. The average refund this filing season is over $3,400. Over 34 million families have claimed Republicans' enhanced child tax credit, which doubled and expanded by the working families tax cut. Over 105 million filers have claimed the permanently doubled standard deduction, simplifying tax filing for millions across America. So as much as people do not like to pay their taxes, and we saw a survey today that 70% of Americans still believe that they are overtaxed, this is a great day for the American people.
We'll now open it up to questions. You're welcome to ask me questions or either of the great cabinet officials next to me. And we'll start, as always, with our new media seat, Mr. Posobiec. Why don't you kick us off?
Thank you, Caroline. Secretary Bessent, if I may, there's been this media narrative out there that while we see the data on tax refunds soft. What is your response to this media narrative regarding the tax refunds?
Look, it's been an incredible tax season. We have done more with less at the IRS, that we have moved over millions of taxpayers to digital tax accounts, and that leaves us able to service more taxpayers in person and on the phone. And as we can see, the economy was very strong. We are seeing growth across the board in all areas. And as Kelly said, small business, Main Street are really the big beneficiaries. And this is what they don't want you to hear, that Wall Street always done great. This administration is focused on parallel prosperity and bringing prosperity back to Main Street, and that starts with people keeping more of their money.
And one for Caroline as well as the administration in general, if I may. This past Saturday, I published a video of now former Representative Eric Swalwell in bed. The president's heading to Las Vegas. Well, Eric Swalwell was in Las Vegas in this video. I'm told, according to geotagging, this scandal has erupted now. Accusers coming forward, many others coming forward, as well as questions regarding his extremely close relationship with Arizona Senator Ruben Gallego. And I want to know if the administration had any comment on the fact that Senator Gallego seemed to be very vocal about wanting the release of the Epstein files, and yet when questions come to his own involvement with Eric Swalwell, he doesn't seem to want to provide anything.
Yeah, look, I think the accusations and allegations against former Representative Swalwell are despicable and disgusting. I think it's also quite plausible, as you point out, Jack, that there were many other Democrats in this town on Capitol Hill who knew about his perhaps illegal behavior, certainly his disgusting and inappropriate behavior. And why were they silent for so long? I think those are questions that must be raised of these sitting representatives, including Mr. Gallego. And I hope that the journalists in this room will do their jobs, and the journalists on Capitol Hill will do their jobs to ask Democrats in power how they knew about such despicable behavior from one of their elected representatives for so long, but never said or did anything about it. So that's what we hope to see as far as the White House and the president is concerned. Thank you. Peter.
Thank you. I have one for you and then one for Secretary Besson.
Sure.
For you, Caroline, there are now 10 American scientists who have either gone missing or died since mid-2024. They all reportedly had access to classified nuclear or aerospace material. Is anybody investigating this to see if these things are connected?
I've seen the report, Peter. I haven't spoken to our relevant agencies about it. I will certainly do that and we'll get you an answer. If true, of course, that's definitely something I think this government and administration would deem worth looking into. So let me do that for you.
Thank you. And Secretary Besson, it doesn't sound like we're going to have $3 a gallon gas by summertime, which we had initially been told by the Energy Secretary. He now says that it would be very aggressive if we're going to get to the $3 a gallon gas by the summer. So when are we really going to get $3 a gallon gas?
Well, I think that's going to be up to how the negotiations go.
Well, this practice trade's going good.
We're nearing the end.
Isn't that how it always is?
Kept their side on the ceasefire. We've stopped firing. The Straits of Hormuz have not been completely reopened. So we will see, and I'm optimistic that during the summer we will see gas with a 3 in front of it sooner rather than later. It's Bank Week here in D.C., so I've been meeting with a lot of my Middle Eastern counterparts, the finance ministers, and they all say that once the straits are open, they can start pumping again within 1 week.
So not by summer like Memorial Day, but maybe by Labor Day?
Again, I'm optimistic that sometime between June 20th and September 20th that we can have $3 gas again. And as I said this morning too, we are going to be watching the gas stations because they raise prices very quickly when when the crude oil prices went up. We hope they'll bring them down just as quickly as crude oil prices have come down, which they've come down substantially just in the past 10 days.
Sure.
Thank you so much, Caroline. Can you give us an update on the president's thinking on the next attorney general? A lot of names have been going around, like Ron DeSantis, Rudy Giuliani, Ed Martin. They're being floated as contenders. What qualities is the president looking for in a new AG? And will there be accountability for what many have described as weaponization within Biden's office when he was the president?
Sure. Well, certainly ensuring that there's accountability for the weaponization of justice that took place under the Biden administration is a top priority for this president. With respect to names that are floated, there are always names floated in the press. Sometimes I have a chuckle when I read some of the reports about certain people floated for certain jobs. As far as the president is concerned right now, Todd Blanche remains the acting attorney general. The president feels he's doing a good job, and that's where it remains right now. I don't have any personnel updates for you today. Annie.
Thank you, Caroline. I have a question for you and also for the Treasury Secretary. First of all, there was an interview that Dr. Mehmet Oz did recently where he described the president's views on his own diet. He said that he argued that diet soda is good for him because it kills grass. And if you pour it onto the grass, the grass is killed and it therefore must kill cancer cells. I'm wondering if you can, was this sort of an accurate description of how the president sees?
Look, as we all know in this room, I think you know the president has a very good sense of humor. It's one of his most underreported characteristics, I would say. I have heard him tell this joke before. I think the Wall Street Journal should get a better sense of humor.
And then another one for you. Has the president filed his taxes and is he going to release them publicly?
It's actually a very good question. I have not inquired with the president directly about his own taxes, but I'm happy to do so and we'll get you an answer on that.
Secretary Besson,
I have filed my taxes.
The president has publicly said that you are the reason that he has not fired Chairman Jay Powell. Will you make that case again to him, as he's recently said that he still wants to fire the chairman?
Look, I am confident that the process that we laid out in terms of Kevin Warsh becoming the next Fed chair, he's going to have the hearing on the 21st of this month. He's a great candidate. We know that the Republicans on the Senate Senate Banking Committee are aligned in that, and I am very optimistic that Kevin Warsh will be the chair of the Fed on time, and that will be a moot question.
Stephen, go ahead.
Secretary Bessent, you mentioned that the no tax on overtime is the biggest one that people are claiming. I think you said 25 million people. Have you seen evidence that more companies are offering overtime or that people are working more overtime and increasing their productivity? And the second question, the health insurance industry is advertising heavily in D.C., describing themselves as the good guys in the whole healthcare system. President Trump has threatened to haul in their executives and force them to lower prices. Can you provide any update on the administration's efforts there?
Okay, so I'll take the second one last because that's not my area. I don't wear a lot of hats here, but I am sure that the president makes his views known with corporate executives, and if that is true, then they will be hauled before him. And with overtime, as Kelly and I go out and talk to employers and workers around the country, they all want more overtime. And there was this narrative that I think over 2 million illegal aliens have either voluntarily deported or been deported, and that there would be a worker shortage. Well, what better way to fill that gap than with overtime for hard-working Americans and for them to keep more of it?
Yeah, I'll just add that a great example are the factories that we see coming back thanks to 100% Made in America expensing. Coosa Steel is a great example in Rome, Georgia, where the owner was down to running one shift 1 day a week. He's up to 2 or 3 shifts 5 or 6 days a week. So thanks to reindustrializing this nation through our small manufacturing base, which most manufacturers in America make the small business.
All right, I just took out $2,000
More shifts taking place.
for my single XFA I have left, a blue one.
And the more willingness of workers to take on
Disappointed
overtime
about that,
shifts,
that's for
because in the
sure.
past they were penalized by the tax system for taking on overtime.
Elizabeth, go ahead.
Thank you. This is for Administrator Loeffler. You talked about how the One Big Beautiful Bill benefits small businesses. With small business officers falling in March, is the administration planning on providing any additional tax relief or other resources to small businesses that have been affected by high fuel prices during their run operation?
Yeah, so one data point does not a trend make, and the long-term trend under President Trump has been for small business optimism to be above its 52-year average. Under Joe Biden, small business optimism fell below that average for 34 consecutive months because small business was being crushed by regulation, massive red tape, the threat of high taxes, and all the burdens of manufacturers came out, their optimism is up 5 points. So I think this is temporary and we'll get back on trend.
What's the status of extending the Iran ceasefire, Caroline?
Yes, so I saw some reporting, again, bad reporting this morning, that we had formally requested an extension of the ceasefire. That is not true at this moment. We've remained very much engaged in these negotiations, in these talks. You heard from the Vice President directly and the President this week that these conversations are productive and ongoing, and that's where we are right now. I've also seen some reporting about the potentiality for in-person discussions again. Those discussions are being had, but nothing is official until you hear it from us here at the White House. But we feel good about the prospects of a deal. The President mentioned that in his interview yesterday, and it's obviously in the best interest of Iran to meet the President's demands. I think he's made his red lines in these negotiations very clear to the other side, and so we are continuing to see how these conversations go.
Would those talks be in Islamabad, or where would they be the next round?
They would very likely be in the same place as they were last time, yes. With the same, I would just want to make one point that's important to the President. The Pakistanis have been incredible mediators throughout this process, and we really appreciate their friendship and their efforts to bring this deal to a close. So they are the only mediator in this negotiation. While there have been many countries around the world who want to offer their help, the President feels it's important to continue to streamline this communication through the Pakistanis, and so that's what continues to take place. Will.
Thank you, Caroline. How much room do you see for additional sanctions being placed on Iran? And do you feel like the United States is getting enough support from allies on that front? There was a letter that went to Oman and some other allies that suggested maybe the sanctions weren't, this could be for Secretary Bessent as well, but the sanctions basically weren't having the effect that the United States wanted.
I'll let the Treasury Secretary who's in charge of sanctions answer that question.
Yeah, I think that's not a correct characterization. Yesterday, we announced Operation Economic Fury, and we, for over a year, we have had maximum pressure on the Iranians, both on blocking payments into the Iranian state and going after the accounts of the IRGC. One of what may prove to be fatal mistakes that the Iranians made was bombing their GCC neighbors, and who are now willing to be much more transparent in terms of the funds, or do a deeper dive in investigating the funds that are held within their banking systems. So we have pushed out to them the request that we want to freeze more funds of the leadership of the IRGC and any members of Iranian leadership. The other thing that we have done is we have told countries that if you are buying Iranian oil, that if Iranian money is sitting in your banks, we are now willing to apply secondary sanctions, which is a very stern measure, and the Iranians should know that this is going to be the financial equivalent of what we saw in the kinetic activities.
Is this an example of expanding the war economically as opposed to militarily? Is this another phase in the...
Exactly.
Secretary, what was the coordination? Any update on the insurance program, the U.S. reinsurance program for ships and tankers sailing through the Strait of Hormuz? Any update on that, sir?
Well, it's now up to $40 billion. It's run through the DFC, and we are waiting for the ships to be able to get some semblance of normality, and then they can come to the DFC and our private sector partners and request the insurance.
And what do you tell private shipping companies out there right now nervous about this whole thing, saying, wondering if they should even get near the strait?
What's that?
What do you tell to encourage shipping companies to do business through the strait?
Well, I think we're going to have to wait and see when they are permanently open, because this is a mechanism. When we declare that it is safe, they also have to have insurance. Lloyd's of London had skyrocketing insurance during the time. The rates are still very high. So we want to provide, the U.S. government will make a profit on this, but we want to provide a more normalized level and an economically sound basis for ships to move in and out of the Gulf as they did before the start of the conflict.
Caroline, I appreciate it. Thanks, Caroline. Yeah, thanks, Caroline. I appreciate it. So, I want to cover two topics, if I could: the tax day, but also the confirmation. So, the confirmation hearing set for next week for Kevin Warsh, but Senator Tom Tillis is still a no, and he's holding firm on that. How are you going to win over
All right, requested a $2,000 payout from Top Step.
Senator Tillis wants to do the best thing for the Federal Reserve for the American people. He has publicly said that Kevin Warsh is a great candidate for the chair. So let's get to the hearings and see where we are then.
I want to ask you about tax day, if I could. So, the tax gains that you've talked about through the One Big Beautiful Bill, is that going to offset the consternation from Americans, for lack of a better term, over the $4 gallon of gas?
Well, again, as I said, no one's ever objected to more money in their pocket. So the Americans have more money. They can decide how they want to spend it. And I did want to come back to the overtime question because I was up in Westchester County last Friday, and I met with several of the first responders and police unions. And
Order filled.
those, whether it's our great firemen, our ambulance drivers, they all now want more overtime. And how great it is to have them to be able to be engaged and keep more of their money.
Yeah, sorry, I was, hey, Lone Wolf. Thanks for stopping by. Blew one of my XFAs today.
Well, as you know, the president spoke about the letter,
So not having a good day.
the correspondence between he and
I got on tilt.
President Xi assured the president that they are not supplying Iran with weapons throughout this conflict, and that assurance was made to the president. It's obviously something the administration keeps close tabs on with respect to tariff. Do you have any update on that, Mr. Secretary?
I don't have an update on the tariffs, but I do have an
I'm
update.
kind of disappointed.
Iran is used to be the largest state sponsor of terrorism. China was purchasing more than 90% of their oil, which is about 8% of China's energy needs. We believe this blockade in the Straits, there will be a pause of Chinese buying, but I will tell you that two Chinese banks received letters from the U.S. Treasury. I'm not going to identify the banks, but we told them that if we can prove that there is Iranian money flowing through your accounts, then we are willing to put on secondary sanctions.
Nick, go ahead.
I think I might buy the back to funded. It's like $870. So I don't have to go to the combine again.
We will not be renewing the general license on Russian oil, and we will not be renewing the general license on Iranian oil. Because again, that was oil that was on the water prior to March 11th.
Right.
So all that has been used.
Nick, go ahead.
Treasury Secretary, as you both noted, 53 million Americans have used one of these new tax exemptions the president enacted.
Ouch.
Not only the relief that's bringing specifically working class Americans like waiters, bartenders.
Yeah, Diego, I requested a payout.
Impact this is going to have on the economy.
Well, a couple of things there is I can tell you I think
$2,000.
popular, but I think with service workers I may be
Nothing crazy, but you know what? It's something.
A doorman, not so much bartenders, but waiters, waitresses. They all say thank you for no tax and tips. Again, I was in a diner up in Westchester County, and this is a home run in terms of what's happening.
Here's the process. I submitted it, and they approved pretty much everything. Now we're waiting for compliance approved. Oh, compliance is approved. And I guess I'm just waiting for finance processing and funds sent.
Filers who have used at least more than one of those four signature things. And look, again.
Well, hopefully that comes through.
First, Americans, hardworking Americans, keeping more of their money.
But
just like with our
disappointed. Lost express count.
This was a tax millionaires and billionaires.
That sucks.
They wanted to raise the tax rate for everyone making more than $500,000. That is a small business killer.
I have one question for the Secretary and then the Administrator. Mr. Secretary, since we're on the topic of China a few minutes ago, we are a little over a year past Liberation Day, the tariffs. The goods trade deficit with China has dropped sharply. Are those gains sustainable, and are you worried
Super disappointed. All my fault though. Went on tilt. I had the support and resistance drawn out. And yeah, I just didn't follow my plan. Not happy.
We had the meeting in Busan, Korea in October. We will be having the state visit in Beijing.
Not happy at all.
In the relationship, but that doesn't mean that our trade deficit can't continue dropping.
And now my credit card's not working. I can't reactivate my back to funded. I don't know what's up with that. Might have to use a different credit card.
Under President Trump, because small businesses now have access to the capital they need to build in America again. We are becoming a nation of builders, and we see that on the ground. Factories expanding. As a result, we have record PMI, which is Purchasing Managers Index, manufacturing expansion, 2 consecutive months in a row of export records. And so when you look at where our nation has come in terms of export-import imbalance, it's been unfair to the American worker and to American industry, and we're reshoring whole industries because of this tax bill.
Libby, go ahead. Go ahead. I have 2 questions for you. The first one is about Iran. The second one's actually about United Airlines that I want to ask you about. So on Iran, is there a timeline for how long this blockade is going to remain in place in the Strait of Hormuz by the United States that President Trump has voiced to you or that you've heard among officials?
Alright, my computer's glitching right now.
But with respect to the blockade, as you know, it has been fully implemented, and it's being enforced against vessels of all nations entering or departing Iranian ports. I want to make that point clear. I've seen some misreporting on that as well. This includes all Iranian ports on the Arabian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman. And our U.S.
That was weird.
are supporting the freedom of navigation for vessels that are transiting the strait to and from non-Iranian ports. So I know some in the press were confused about that. We are supporting the freedom of navigation, just not with respect to any tanker or vessel that would benefit the economy of Iran as these negotiations continue.
There was reports that the CEO of United proposed a merger with American Airlines. This would affect tens of millions of Americans. That was proposed in a meeting with President Trump. Is that a merger that he has voiced any kind of support of?
It's not anything that we have a position on or anything we're commenting on. I know it's an idea that has been proposed by private industry, but it's not something the President or the White House have an opinion on or are weighing in on at this time. John, go ahead.
Thanks a lot, Caroline. This is for Secretary Bessent. On Monday of next week, importers can start requesting claims.
Strange. My credit cards aren't working.
Eligible for refunds. What's that process look like? How can a
Great.
and an importer request such a refund going forward?
That's not being run out of Treasury. We will just be the paymaster, so that's being run out of CPB. Yep.
Explain that process. I understand you're not running. How does that process actually work? If you're an importer, you pay these tariffs. The Supreme Court found that those tariffs
Yeah, Diego.
are illegal. What's the process?
Well, it's a bittersweet. That's for sure. I lose an XFA and don't want to get on tilt, so I took 2,000 out of the other XFA. Not happy. Still not happy though, because I'm gonna end up spending like $800 to get the other funded back. But I don't know why my credit card keeps getting denied. That's embarrassing. Super embarrassing.
So is that going to affect the U.S. economy? I don't know.
Keep saying transaction failed. Like, what?
Is that this administration's message to American voters with high gas prices that ahead of the midterms this year that it's worth the economic pain?
Well, the message.
Now we're gonna call the bank.
Short-term volatility for long-term gain.
That's annoying.
And Danny, if I could add to that, you know, the president's been very clear. Again, as the secretary just said, this is short-term disruption for the long-term
All right, I'll be back. I gotta talk to the bank.
United States to ensure that the world's leading state sponsor of terror cannot obtain a nuclear weapon. That's a good thing for the American people. That's a good thing for people all over the world. And as the president and his economic and energy team have repeatedly stated, as soon as the operation and now the negotiations with Iran conclude and the strait is reopened, we do expect gas prices to decrease. And thank goodness we have a president and an administration that believes in American energy dominance in bringing down prices at the pump. Look at how gas prices decreased over the past year since this president was in office. It's a stark contrast to the previous administration and Democrats in this city who believe in hampering our domestic energy industry, who believe in importing our most precious resources, who believe in implementing policies that created the worst inflation crisis in history. So President Trump has built the greatest economy in the world before. He is doing it again. Of course, we have this short-term disruption, but again, it's for the long-term strategic goal of ensuring that these terrorists cannot possess a nuclear bomb. Jennifer.
For Secretary Bessent, on the Russian oil, I know the sanctions waivers have expired, but how much money did Russia benefit from that temporary sanctions rules? You initially said about $2 billion. Is that?
It could have been $2 billion. We don't know. But again, let's think of a different world where oil spiked to 150, and they would have made a lot more by doing that, by pushing the Russian barrels that were already on the water. They were going to be sold. They were going to China no matter what. We pushed them to our allies. We helped stabilize the oil price. And as you can see, there were doomsday scenarios. Oil's going to 150. It's going to 200. It's going to $250. West Texas crude for the front month delivery is about $92 or $93 now.
Thank you, everybody. I know we have two very busy cabinet secretaries with us here today. Before we do depart, just one final announcement. As you know, this year we celebrate America's 250th birthday. In honor of this historic occasion, President Trump and the Department of Interior will submit plans for the United States Triumphal Arch, which will be an architectural masterpiece to celebrate our history right here in Washington, D.C. This is a rendering of the arc for you. Thank you, Peter. It's quite beautiful, as you can see, and this monumental arch will beam at 250 feet tall in honor of 250 years and stand on ground that is currently empty green space in Memorial Circle on Columbia Island, a man-made island in the Potomac River managed by the National Park Service. The United States Triumphal Arch will be outfitted with beautiful artwork and depictions celebrating the success of the American people over our 250-year history and the enduring triumph of the American spirit. Long after everyone in this room is gone, our children and grandchildren will remain inspired by this national monument. Beginning construction this year on the architectural arch is a fitting way to commemorate the 250th anniversary of American independence. Great nations build beautiful structures that cultivate national pride and love of country, and this triumphal arch should be a project that all Americans of all political persuasions can support because it's a monument for every American to celebrate 250 years of our nation's proud history. And again, the plans for this will be submitted tomorrow. We'll have many more announcements with respect to our 250th anniversary in the coming months as we look forward to the 4th of July. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day.
All right, I'm back. Had to talk to the bank. Are we gonna push up here? Yeah, blue and XFA. If you go back like 30 minutes or so, you can see the horrible trading that I did. Went on full tilt. Iran can consider ships being able to sail through Oman's side of the Strait of Hormuz without interference or attacks as part of the deal with the U.S. Source close to Iran. Let's see if my payment goes through now. And transaction failed again. Great. Well, that's no fun. I'm going to remove all my credit cards from the account and put a new one in. See if that works, but this is kind of annoying. I want to pay Tops up $1,000 and they're not even letting me do it. It's asking me so many questions. All right, let's try this again. And it went through. All right, so we have reactivated an account here. Can't trade that till tomorrow, I believe. Or the new market session. But Diego, thanks for stopping by. You saw the tilt. You saw me going full tilt. That's horrible. Horrible trading. So disappointed. I had that account up to like 4,500. Went down to like $30. Got it back up to like 3 grand just to blow it again. What a roller coaster. Super disappointing. Took a $2,000 payment out of the remaining XFA. Used half of that to get back to funded. Yeah, not feeling the greatest right now. That sucks. Should probably just step away. Okay, we're making another push up. Horrible trading. Dang. Well, it's time to reset, I guess. We got some new news coming here on the left side. It's the financial juice. Check that out. Got about 5 people watching right now. I appreciate that. Oh, Diego, am I muted? Oh, man, don't tell me I'm muted. I don't think so. Am I muted? I believe I'm on. Diego, please confirm. I had the Caroline Levitt speaking, so I muted then. Oh, you hear me now? Perfect. Thank you very much. Thanks for looking out, brother. Yeah, I need a hug right now. I can't even show. Can I show? Yeah, there's nothing here now. As soon as you lose an Express account, they just take away the whole account. You can't even go back and analyze anything. But what happened was I was, did good for a month, got up to like $4,500. Had a bad Friday, lost like 4,300 or something like that. I was down to like $100. Drawdown. Worked my way up from there up to like 3,000 and change, and then blew it all in a matter of minutes. And I had this drawn too. Like I shorted right here. And I had this support line right here. 100% my fault. It is what it is. Live and you learn. But definitely super disappointed. Got straight at Hormuz live right here on the bottom left. Diego, I shorted there. I was trying to get momentum. That's what happened. I was long. Like right here. Started dumping. I stopped out. It dumped more. Shot up. Started dumping. Then I shorted again. I think I shorted maybe like down here. And then I just got messed up. It's full tilt. 100% my fault. I got on tilt. I should have touched grass. I went in too strong too. I was in like 40 contracts. Broke all my trading rules. Yeah, Diego. Went into way too big. Way too big. Super disappointed. And now I had to pay 800 bucks to get that live account back. So I'll still have 2 live accounts. Right now I'm still on tilt. In my head it's like, I gotta get that 3 grand back. I kind of feel like going long here to a breakout for new highs. Let's do it. Let's go on tilt. Nah, I wish that was a practice account. That would have been awesome. But no, it was a live account. Let's see if we get a breakout of these highs. Yeah, no doubt. Don't forget to place your short. Oh, that'd be a huge... Or place your stop. Alright, stops in place. Risking 55 bucks. You're right, bro. Let's see if we get a break up here to at least... Let's see the book map. Man, can we see 26,300? That'd be nice. But Diego, yeah, I'm super upset right now, man. Kind of want to just go lay on the couch and cry. Cry myself to sleep. Well, I'm going to risk 50 bucks here. I only got 2,800 drawdown on this account. I took out 2,000. See what happens. Yeah, Diego, you know, there's always the positive thinking, right? That's why I took the payout. Because I'm on tilt right now. And I don't want to blow this 4,800 I have on this one. So I took out like about half of it. Took out 2,000. Still got 2,800 in this XFA. Oh, you requested 2 payouts in 4 months? That's good. That's really good. Yeah, but I just got chopped, man. Like, why did I go in like 40, 50 contracts? I'm an idiot. So disappointing. You feel that's nothing? 2 payouts in 4 months, buddy? That's great. Invested way more than I got. Yeah, I feel you, bro. All right, we're making, new highs. We got new highs here. This is when I should have went all in. Just 30 bucks at a time, right? All right, let's just bring the stop to break even. Slow and steady wins the race. So disappointed, man. Honestly, don't even feel like trading right now. Because I know I'm going to make some mistakes here. Now it comes back down. Great. Of course. And here it comes to take my stop. You know what? I'm going to take my stop out. I'm going to add. I want to see 300s. Don't destroy me here, please. Give a brother a chance. VWAP's way down there. Equities are kind of curling over. It's not looking good. Where the heck is VWAP? VWAP's way down there. 26,100 area. Ouch. All right, I'm going to let this marinate for a little while here. Oh, as we're dipping down now. Come on. Ouch. I kind of want to add here, but that's the tilt speaking. I'll be back in a minute or two. So mad. All right, looks like we're breaking down again. Didn't get that push that I wanted. This might be the last trade I make today. Yeah, it's rejecting off the 9 MA. I want to see a squeeze of the shorts here. Israel's Prime Minister Netanyahu, it's too early to say how talks with Iran will end or even how they will progress. Come on, let's break out. Man, that tilt trade was horrible. Diego, yeah. Came back from $100 to make 4K. Yeah, hopefully, man. Thanks for the pat on the back. But I'm still on tilt. I kind of feel like adding right now. Alright, if the next candle's red, I'm just going to get out. I'm going to give it 30 more seconds. I want to see 300, 350. Oh, they moved them. Oh, there's a bunch of contracts up at 26,340. Yeah, that's not looking good now. All right. We touch that EMA and bounce, or do we go down? That's the question. Got my finger on the trigger just to exit this trade here. Come on, let's get a pump here. Come on. Come on. All right, I'm out. Just bad trading today. It's an easy trade too. It's all up. Here's when I messed up. How big of a move was that? That was 150 points. Ouch. God. Oh, is it? Thanks for telling me, Diego. Appreciate that. Really appreciate that. Thank you very much. You're the saving grace for me today. Keep my mood up a little bit. Still disappointed. You know what? I'm going to put on a practice account and just go all in. Let's go. Going all in. 30 contracts. Watch now. This is going to boom. This is going to go to 300. Watch. Since it's on a practice. Going all in. Let's go. Okay. That's the max I can do on this account. 50. Yeah. Now it's going to go up. Yeah. 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 No stop. Let's go. This is going to screw me up too. It's going to pump up and I'm going to go back to the XFA and I'm going to get screwed again. All right. Yeah. I want this to be a losing trade. Come on. Dump it. We're in 50 contracts. Micros. I'm aiming for 300. And then here it goes. Here it's going to start going. God dang it. This is kind of an easy trade, actually. Should be long. We could get a pretty big pump here. Well, I'm just going to leave this trade open. Disappointed. Disappointing day. Took out 2,000 and destroyed a combine. Bittersweet, as they would say. Yeah, Diego. Ha 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 ha. For sure. Laughable. This is super laughable. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Of course. The practice trades hit. The real ones don't. Wow. And there it goes. And now I feel like going to my XFA and going long. All right, let's get that out. Oh, man. I'm feeling the FOMO now. I'm super FOMO right now. Apple's up 2.6. Tesla's up 7.15. Nvidia's up 0.4. The dollar's down. It's pretty much flat. Microsoft's up 5.2%. Wow. Equity's making a move right now. All right, I'm in. Oh, God. Do I go all in right now? Just full tilt? My God. Come on. No, man. Just one micro. I mean, we should see 300. Man. I feel like going all in right now. It's painful. I think I should just stop trading right now. This is not good. I'm on full tilt. Full tilt mode. Here we go. Added one more. Add another one. Oh, now I'm three micros in. Oh Lord. Oil needs to dump. Come on. Oil dump, please. Don't hold 91. 911. All right, I'm out. I don't want to screw up this account too. God. Look, I'm up 1,500 on a practice. So easy to trade practice, right? We got 7 people watching. That's awesome. Appreciate that. Anyone watching, leave a comment in the chat. Oh, sorry. Sorry for burping into the mic. That was gross. Man, I feel like going in right now. Oh, yeah, perfect. Perfect timing. Now I got a business call. All right, give me a second. Alrighty. I think I'm gonna. Diego, hey Randy, have you encountered any haters yet on your channel? No, man. I'm surprised. No one's hating. I'm super surprised. But I did get a couple of dislikes on my last stream. On all my other streams, it was all 100% likes. So some people disliking. Don't know who that was, but it is what it is. Everyone's allowed to have their own opinions. But yeah, no haters, man. Everyone in the chat's been super nice. It's awesome. We got 7 people watching. I appreciate that. That's awesome. If you're watching, say something in the chat. Lost a XFA today. Took a $2,000 payment on another XFA. Feeling kind of on tilt right here. This is where I got messed up. This yellow circle. I longed, I shorted, I longed, I shorted, and I just over leveraged and got stopped out. Hit the max loss limit. Lost the account. At least I have one XFA right now. And I got one coming tomorrow. So I'll be back to 2 XFAs tomorrow. So that's good. Haters tend to grow the channel, so when you get one, you'll know you're growing. No doubt. No doubt. Got to start some drama with other channels. That will get it growing. All right, let's see if we get another push up. Just pulled back 25 points. Didn't hit 300. There's like 150 contracts at 26,340. Gonna let this marinate. I probably shouldn't trade. We're 16 minutes away from power hour. See what happens. We'll have MOC on the left side there. We get the latest headlines popping up on the left. And I'm trading like a person on tilt on the right. Watch and be entertained. Back in like 2 minutes. All right, I'm going on tilt. Well, Diego, I see 350 in the picture right now, too. You can get it up here. Still on tilt. If I add to this, I'm probably going to get screwed. Well, let's just take that profit. Bad fill. I'm eating a popsicle right now. It's at a spicy lunch. Well, we're 90 seconds away from power hour. Let's see how that goes. Well, I still got this up. My bad. I really want to go long here. Retest at 300. No, let's go to 350. Come on. Equities kind of flattening out. There we go, a test at 300s. All right, let's see. So if we get that push up to 350. We got the 9-day moving average kind of trying to curl over. That's not good for bulls. VWAP still way down there at 26,107. VWAP's been kind of flat, curling up a bit. Be nice to see a test of all-time highs. That'd be sick. Where's all-time highs? 1 minute here. Yeah, we're right by all-time highs. We're literally 90 points away from all-time highs. All-time highs was 26,400. That's going to pull me back here. All right, full tilt. Let's go. We're going to blow this account or make a bunch of money. Let's go. We're going to add. Targeting 400. We got 57 minutes left. Diego, I'm going all in, buddy. We're going all in. I'm gonna put a couple of stop buys up here. Gonna add a couple here. We're going all in, baby. Full tilt. I'm gonna put a couple buys up there. Let's see. Come on, let's get a breakout here. Squeeze the bears, the bull. Come on, bulls. Ouch. Come on. I'm 5 contracts in right now. I think I could go up to 150 micros in this count. Go, let's push this up. Come on, hold 300 and just blast. Let's see 26,400. Let's go. Got new highs. Is it going to hold? That's the question. A smart move would probably be just cancel. Just flatten out. Make 70 bucks. Go. New 1 minute candle. Come on. Make a push. Diego, you still watching? All right, watch me blow this account now. Come on, pump it. All-time highs. Come on, let's go. Oh God, I don't like that. Come on, push up. Let's get a huge wick right to the top. $400. If I was conservative, I would just flatten all right now. Take the $120 or whatever. Go. Once I flatten all, it's gonna pump. Alright, let's cancel my orders here. And let the 5 contracts run. Alright, let's take one out. Okay, I'm gonna flatten. Ouch. Alright, I'm gonna give it some time to consolidate here. Build some momentum. Alright, I'm gonna give it a couple minutes. Touch grass. All right, we got like 44 minutes left. Do I play chess? No. I do not play chess, Diego. I don't even know how. I don't know how to play chess. Dude, leave me alone. Well, we got a huge pump up 1.2%. Straight of Hormuz is still dead. U.S.-Iran talks likely to return to Pakistan next week. Man, this messed me up. I was long here. If I just held that long, could have kept that XFA. Still sad about that. But Diego, do you play chess? Let me know. Not sure if I'm going to make a trade here. Diego, sometimes when I get into a range mode on trading, that is my touch grass moment, no doubt. See what the 5 minute looks like. It's all green. Barely any pullbacks. We're at 26,312. We touched 26,330. That's the high. And we're only 80 points away from all-time highs. That's insane. Well, 38 minutes away from market close. Market's rallying. Tesla up 7.5%. Microsoft's up 5%. Apple's up 2.6. Visa's up 1.5. MicroStrategy's up 2.2. Google's up almost 1%, three quarters of a percent. SanDisk dumped 5.7%. That's not cool. ASML's down 3.8. Eli Lilly's down 1.8. JP Morgan's down 1.67. Home Depot's down 1.28. Procter and Gamble's down 0.6. Walmart's down. It's kind of flat. Well, it's down technically 0.06. Exxon's up 0.1%. AMD's up 0.5%. Nothing really new from Trump. Nvidia's trying to make a push up back to 200. That'd be nice. And there we go. We're trying to make another push up on NQ. Will the rally continue? All-time highs. Let's go. Nvidia's making a move. All right, let's see if we can break these highs at 26,330. See if we go for new highs. We got a bunch of orders at 340, 350, like 300 contracts. Walmart's flat for the day. Let's see if it makes a bid. If it catches a bid up here, make the market go higher. All right, here's the test. Will we break through? MOC might be crazy. Lone Wolf, you're back. Thanks for stopping by again. Appreciate that. Such a pretty day in Grand Forks. Yeah, no doubt, eh? It's a nice day down here too. Down in the Fraser Valley. Nice and sunny. This TSMC earnings during Asia session. Okay. Might go all-time highs and more if they beat with good EPS. Yeah, Asia session is going to be pretty interesting as well. All right, let's get a push. Come on. Maybe a retest of the 9 EMA or MA. Okay. I might add here to a long. I'm on tilt, so watch out. We got a bunch of orders all the way up to 26,350. It's not that far. And we're all-time highs is 26,400. There we go. Here's a push. Let's see if we get this push. Come on, let's go. Walmart pulling back, Nvidia still going. Tesla looks strong. Microsoft looks strong. All right, we're getting a push. There's a bunch of liquidity at 340. See if it takes that out. Oh, we're still pushing. Nvidia's pushing. Let's see if it tests 200. Tesla, maybe it'll test 400. Let's go. Let's get a push. Let's go gold panning in the Fraser. Might be better than my trading today, that's for sure. Probably make more money. Lone wolf trades. Thinking outside the box. I like that. All right, we still got that liquidity up there. Let's get a little pullback. What am I to add down here at 26,328? Follow the 9-day moving average. Let's see if it gives us a chance. We got 7 people watching. That's awesome. 8 people watching. Great. But only 3 likes. No one likes this. I'll find out after how many dislikes I got. Got a couple of dislikes from my last stream. All right, we didn't even get a pull back. This is gonna keep going. All right, I'm adding. I'm going all in. Full tilt. I'm getting full tilt right here. I want to see 350 at least. Oh yeah, as soon as I add, it starts pulling back. Great. The TikTok traders hit the dislike button. Yeah. All right, I hit the 9, almost reached the 9 day. All right, let's see a push. Should have bought down here. My bad. Come on, let's get a push. Come on, let's get a push. All-time highs, let's see it. We're so close. We're 56 points away from all-time highs. Let's go. If we get 26,400, we're at all-time highs. Come on, push. I took one off. Push. This will probably be my last trade. I'll let the stream go on if any news comes out. I don't think I want to trade MOC. It's going to be dangerous. Oh, come on. Push. Just buy. Let's squeeze these bears out of the game. Squeeze them all out. You got to think there's going to be a bunch of stops above the all-time highs. Let's see 400. Come on. Let's see 400. Go. Ouch. Man, I'm already on tilt. I feel like going like all in right now. I'm feeling the bullish. Feel like getting on the bull, riding it. Let's go. Let's get this push. Come on. Push it. Take everyone out. You know, I'm not going to be greedy. It's 350. Give me 350. 350. That's all I want. Let's go. Come on, make that push. So I don't have to go gold panning with Lone Wolf in the Fraser Valley. Come on, hit it, hit it. There you go. All right, I see this thing going up to 400, but I'm going to step away. I'm going to let this play out. You can watch the financial juice on the left. We got the Strait of Hormuz on the bottom left. Let's go. You know what? Let's just put on a long on a practice. See you guys in a couple hours. Thanks for stopping by. Catch you later.